Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about 6 things that you need to remove from your closet right now. And I'm going to come at you with some facts. We wear the same 20% of our clothes 80% of the time. What? This also means that the other 80% of our clothes are taking up super valuable space in our closet. We don't have room like that in our closet to be wasted. Does this sound familiar to anyone? If you feel like you're wearing the same thing day after day, then you're gonna wanna listen up. The first item to remove from your closet may sound obvious, but you would be surprised by how many people continue to have this in their wardrobe. And that is any article of clothing that is stained or ripped. Yes, I know. Lots of people have them. And I know that we all think that our hair can cover that grease stain or we can tuck it in, but you know what? Let it go, get rid of it, be hard on yourself. You can do hard things. The second item to remove from your closet is anything that is ill-fitting. Maybe it's too big, maybe it's too small, maybe it pulls in all the wrong spots. Now I understand that weight fluctuates. I totally get it. And I like to be lenient with my clients and myself. So if this is the case for you, I suggest pulling a couple pieces that are maybe a size bigger or a size smaller and getting them out of your closet and tucking them away. We want to make sure that we aren't taking up valuable room in our closet and making it appear that we have more wearable clothes than we actually do. The third item to remove from your closet is anything that you haven't worn in a full year. If you didn't wear it last summer, you're most likely not going to wear it this next summer. And that's okay. But just get it out of your closet. Now, if there's a piece that you spent a lot of money for, get it, then intentionally wear it one day and see how you feel in it. If you love it, awesome. Bring it into your wardrobe, wear it a lot more. If you don't love it so much, get rid of it, let it go. The fourth item of clothing that you need to remove from your closet is, just talking about it makes me itchy. And it is anything that is scratchy, uncomfortable, itchy, too tight, and we have all had it. That sweater that is so cute, but just thinking about it gives me hives. Just get it out, let it go, let's make room for something new. That also goes with shoes. If you have a pair of shoes that you know that give you blisters or hurt your feet every time you wear them, just get them out. The fifth item to remove from your closet is something that I am very guilty on, and I think most of us are. And that is something that you spent a lot of money on. Yeah, I have a confession. It was over 10 years ago, right after graduating college. My husband and I got jobs in the big New York City. And I just knew I was going to be going to all of these lavish black tie events. And I went out and bought this little black dress that was way too much for a poor college student, but I knew that the cost per wear was going to be so low because I was going to wear it all the time. And fast forward 10 years, it is still on the same hanger it came with, collecting dust in my closet. You guys, if you have something similar to this, let's rip off the Band-Aid and throw it out together. I've never worn the dress. I guarantee you it doesn't even fit anymore, but I've been holding on to this baggage and we can let it go. The last item to remove from your closet are those sentimental pieces. Maybe it's that dress from your wedding rehearsal dinner 15 years ago. Or maybe it's your dad's big comfy sweater that you wear that reminds you of him. Maybe it is that teeny bikini that you wore on your honeymoon, but you are no longer allowed to wear that bikini. I get it. These are precious items and they take up room in our hearts, and that's great. But they don't need to take up room in our closets. Pull them out. Put them under your bed, tuck them away. Maybe do something special with them, making a quilt, making a pillow, maybe hanging it up. My friend has a scarf from her grandma that she has hung up on her walls. And it is so beautiful, and it's a great way to remember her grandma without actually keeping it in her closet. I hope these 6 items will help you purge your closet a little bit. Take some time, a couple minutes, go through and pull out those items. We all need more room for more clothes, so pull out the pieces that you aren't wearing. And if you like this video, please like it below, subscribe, share with your friends. I have so many more good ones coming your way. Bye guys.